Internal non-rotating applications of miniature parts. Hi everyone, and welcome to Tip Talk from ISCAR's Tech Center. How do we choose the best tools for machining internal non-rotating applications of miniature parts? Due to their small hole diameter size and high surface quality requirements, machining internal non-rotating applications of miniature parts usually requires a unique approach. When selecting the cutting tools and machining process, it is essential to consider several factors. In small hole diameter parts, the chip evacuation can be a real problem. Try to select a cutting tool with enough clearance. It is highly recommended to use internal coolant. It will significantly improve tool life and chip evacuation. A smoother operation and a better surface quality are usually obtained by using sharp, precision ground cutting tools. ISCAR is proven to be the world's leader in providing advanced solutions for machining internal non-rotating applications of miniature parts. ISCAR's solid carbide PICCO heads and indexable CHAMGROOVE and PICCOINDEX product lines provide an ultimate solution for non-rotating applications with a bore diameter of up to 8 mm. For larger bore diameters, ISCAR's CUTGRIP tools are the most recommended. Check our catalog to learn more about machining intelligently with ISCAR. Thank you.